Good morning, student. Welcome back to this session. So, dear student, in the previous session we discussed how to conduct interview. In this session, how to face your facing interview. How to you are facing interview. So, before facing interview, is some general question arise in the interview. So, we discussed before go to the facing interview. So, there are four different types of questions asked in every interview. There are open ended questions, specific questions, motivation questions, and unconventional questions. Dear student, be beware, be care for answering these types of four questions. So, open ended questions. Open ended questions do not have a specific answer. They including questions like following. Tell me about yourself. Walk me through your career. Why did you make the choice you made? Such questions present an opportunity to tell your story in engaging, articulate, and compelling way. Explain why you selected the schools you selected, your major and your minor, and your GPA. So, did you apply direct or did you get them through networking? What were your most significant accomplish at the each job? Highlight significant accomplishment that may or may not be explicit in your resume. Often, a theme will emerge, but if that is not the case, talk about your decision in a positive light. With which skills and functions are you most comfortable? If I were to assign a project based on your expertise, what would I give you? If you enjoy working with client, talk about your specific achievement and how you helped your client. Have you served them well enough for them to repeat customers? Have they referred other client to you? If you are very strong analytically, give an example of the most analytical project on which you have worked and the project's outcomes. Everyone has strength to everyone has weakness. Everyone has strength and everyone has weakness. It is common. It is nature. You should do substantive assessment of your weakness prior to an interview. A weakness should be never be critical components of the job for which you are applying. If there is a trick to answering this question effectively, it is to highlight what you are doing to strengthen each weakness. For example, if public speaking is something you consider weakness, you can say that to improve this, you raise your hand as much as possible in class and you voluntary to present whenever possible. The more prepared you are with the content of your presentation, the better your performance. What to do for fun? What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? What do you do in your free time? What do you do like to read? What do you do like to read? This question presents an opportunity to enthusiastically and especially discuss what you enjoy during in your spare time. If you engage or ten- enjoy tennis. If you enjoy tennis, talk about how long you have been played and your favorite player. If you engage or enjoy reading, mention the last great book you read. Some specific questions are asked in interview. Tell me about this. The interviewer can appoint to anything on your resume, whether it be project or an employer, a class, a skill or a body. You must able to pick and completely discuss any topic from your resume and it relevant to your professional career. You should be able to recount every details about each project and enthusiastically really those details to your interviewer. If you are not enthusiastic about your work, they will not be either. Also, highlight the result of your work or any project about which they want to know more. Tell me about your favorite project, your most significant project, or project that demonstrated your leadership, project management, analytical, research, or communication skill. When answering this question, remember who sponsored the project objectives, and deliverable. Step you took to complete the project and the result of your efforts. Note your role as well as the role of other team members. Be specific and qualify the result. Tell me about a project where something went wrong or tell me about difficult client. Everyone has worked on project where something went wrong. If you procrastinated, we learn to become more disciplined in our approach to project. If someone not not do their part of the project, which when caused us to do extra work, we learned to communicate more clearly and check the project progress on regular basis. We also have worked with a difficult client. The trick is not say anything negative big about a client. If a client was demanding, remember that call client have right to make demand. We need to rise your game to ensure they are pleased with the service and our level of professionalism. Never make